Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Students, so in this video, now we are going to discuss about the causes of biodiversity losses or the biodiversity loss. So mainly, what are the causes are there? So because of these causes, so how diversity is going to loss or how this biodiversity is losing? Now let us see causes of biodiversity. Now accelerated rates of species extinctions that worldwide is facing now are largely due to the human activities. Means acceleration of species extinctions means, so here, so species extinction is going to be increased. So going to be increased not only in one particular region, that is so throughout the world. So that is only now facing major problem. So sir, this kind of a major problem or extinction of a species, how it has come, sir, means because of the human activities. So because of the human activities, so what are the species or spreaded throughout the world, definitely going to be increased. So that kind of movement also, is accelerated, means it is when compared to the previous years. Now this extinction is started with rapid fast. So that's why here what is information, everything means the species extinction and everything is going on because of the activity of human activities or because of the human activities. So now there are four major causes are there. So it is important. So public examination point of view as well as NEET examination point of view also important. There are four major causes are there. So the evil quartet for losses of biodiversity. So here these four major causes we will be considering as evil quartet for loss of biodiversity. So definitely, so this what are the questions we can be expected means, first of all this question we can be taken. So means first of all, what are the side headings which are present or which are there in the losses of biodiversity causes? So there, so definitely, so here totally four side headings are there. So these are four side headings in order we need to remember. Okay, so first of all, let me move back once. So four major causes are there. So I will quartet for loss of biodiversity. First one is habitat loss and fragmentation. Habitat loss and fragmentation. Second one is over exploitation. Third one, alien species invasions, and fourth one, co-extinctions. One more time, try to remember. First one is habitat loss and fragmentation. Second one, over exploitation. Third one, alien species invasions, and fourth one, co-extinctions. Likewise, there are four major causes we can be seen in loss of biodiversity. So now, the habitat loss and fragmentation concern. So what are the main important points are there in habitat loss and fragmentation means, the most important cause driving animals and plants to extinction. So in comparison of four side headings, so this is the most important cause. So for what? So this important cause means that this is a habitat loss and fragmentation is a driving animals and plants to extinctions, means because of the habitat loss, and fragmentation, most of the animals and most of the plants are going to be extincted. Means here suppose a habitat loss and fragmentation, suppose for example normal example concerned, if we have our home, means definitely we after completion of our work or after completion of our school or college, we will go our home. Suppose if we don't have a home, or if you are not having a home, or we don't know where we have to go, so at the time where we can go? So we cannot go anywhere. Likewise here, so these are plants as well as animals also going to be extincted because of this reason, habitat loss and fragmentation. So habitat loss, so this information exclusively related to the habitat loss, and fragmentation in the next words comes, so I will explain that also. Now first of all, this is the most important cause driving animals and plants to the extinction. So most dramatic examples of habitat loss come from tropical rainforest. So in comparison of all these things, most abundant examples of habitat loss from where we are observing now, so we can be observed from the tropical rainforest. So means here most dramatic examples of habitat loss come from the tropical rainforest. So our knowledge concerned, in tropical levels more number of species presence we have seen. So why? Because in a tropical rainforest already we have seen, no, for example Amazon rainforest we have taken. So that is Amazon rainforest is example of tropical rainforest. There, due to the availability of more sunlight, the productivity will be more as well as dependence will be more. So automatically, so biological diversity will be enriched, or biological diversity will be more. Ecological diversity will be more, means in this particular case, definitely species extinction also will be more there only. So means here most dramatic examples of habitat loss from the tropical rainforest, once covering more than the 14%. So here what is the example now we are taking now? Suppose if you take tropical rainforest Amazon, so Amazon here I didn't write, but through my voice you can get them. So examples of habitat loss come from the tropical rainforest, once covering more than 14% of the earth's surface. This rainforest now cover no more than 6%. So now you see that actually Amazonian rainforest once upon a time, so it has been occupied 14% of the earth's surface. It is very, very important, means once upon a time the availability or the percentage of the Amazonian rainforest is there up to 14%, but what happened, this Amazonian rainforest now just covering not exactly 6%, no more than the 6%. So I hope you understood this one, just no more than the 6%. So they are being destroyed fast. So here earlierly 14% is there, now 6% is there, means gradually or with rapid fast, definitely this entire biodiversity is going to be destroyed fast. So in this particular case, sir, why sir these are all things going to be happened, means because of the habitat loss, and one more is fragmentation. Now fragmentation information I will give you in a later. Next one, now you see their continuation concerned. By the time you will finish reading this chapter, means here reading as well as explanation we can be taken. So we have started this topic, just suppose for example we have started 1 week ago, few days back. Suppose if you have started to complete, suppose 1 week or 10 days, suppose it takes time. So in this 1 week or 10 days time, no, so like what is the information they are giving? 1,000 more hectares of the Amazonian rainforest would have been lost, means within 1 week or within 10 days of a time only. Suppose if the rainforest is going to be lost, or going to lost 1,000 hectares of the rainforest would have been lost. Means 1000 hectares within 1 week or 10 days is going to be reduced up to, or going to loss up to 1000 and more hectares. Means now you can analyze how much fast destroying process is going on. Means here, sir, why sir this kind of actually here this Amazonian rainforest very important for the conveying of, or for the sending of oxygen and all, no, for the production of oxygen. But why sir here this particular tropical Amazonian tropical rainforest, why it is destroying very fast? Means because reasons I will mention. Next one, this Amazonian rainforest also, this Amazonian rainforest we are calling by one more name, lungs of the planet, lungs of the planet. So this is an important point, lungs of the planet. So from the Amazonian rainforest harboring probably millions of species is being cut and cleared for the cultivation of soybean and for the conservation of grasslands for a rising of cattle, beef cattle. Now you see there ones, what is information they are giving? So our knowledge concerned here, the 14% of the Amazonian rainforest is there. Now it is no more than the 6%. Means in this particular case, this entire thing is going to be destroyed very fast. So here the 14% of the Amazonian rainforest, when it is going to be decreased to the 6%, we are understanding definitely. So this Amazonian rainforest is going to be destroyed very fast. Now we have seen. Now here, before complete this particular chapter, definitely within 10 days or within 1 week, 1000 more hectares rainforest would have been lost. So in this particular case, what is the point here? We have to understand the destroyment or the eradication or the destroyment. Means here the process of which one, deforestation or the cutting of a forest or the cutting of trees, it is going on with rapid fast. So within 1 week of time, within 10 days of time, 1000 more hectares of rainforest would have been lost. Means you can guess. So how much fast this entire Amazonian rainforest is going to be destroyed. So in this particular case, so one important point here we have to take onto the Amazonian rainforest. This Amazonian rainforest is also known as lungs of the planet. Lungs of the planet. Why we are considering here lungs of the planet? Means in the next video I will give you why. Because here this Amazonian rainforest contributes or provides 20% of the oxygen to the entire living organisms. Means it will provide 20% of the oxygen in comparison of 100%. Means definitely in that particular case, Amazonian rainforest we can be considered as lungs of the planet. Don't forget, this point is important, lungs of the planet. Now you see there, what is the point? Sir, this 14% to 6%, why sir this Amazonian rainforest is reduced? Means now you see there, Amazonian rainforest harboring probably millions of species being cut and cleared. Don't forget this point. So means here in Amazonian rainforest, so we are going to harvest or we are going to harboring so millions of species. So we are taking gradually, we are taking so many kinds of species or so many kind of plants, animals. So when we are going to harboring from this entire forest in the form of cutting or in the form of clearing. So why sir, why we are doing all these kind of stupid activities? Means so for cultivation of soybeans. So here, so those who are staying in tropical rainforest, so they are doing that simply deforestation as well as cutting and clearing of plants and animals for two reasons. Important, try to concentrate. One is for the cultivation of soybeans. And one more is for the conservation of grasslands. So here for the conservation of grasslands. Sir, why sir here the grasslands already plants are there now? Means so these grasslands for raising of beef cattle. Means in order to producing of or in order to depending on the soybeans and in order to obtaining of beef cattle or increasing the number of beef cattle, so they are doing the deforestation in Amazonian rainforest. So because of these two reasons, means here Other it was mentioned two reasons. One is for cultivation of soybeans and one more is for conservation of grasslands. So still so many reasons will be there, but other identified two problems in Amazonian rainforest. So these 2 points also very important. But so what are the points here other not mentioned in our subject in our concept now? So those we no need to be remembered. But here so these 2 points other was mentioned. That's why so these 2 points try to remember. One is for the cultivation of soybeans and one more is for the conservation of grasslands for raising of beef cattle. These 2 points so at any cost you have to remember in your mind. So now till now what are the main important points means? So Amazonian rainforest land area is going to be decreased. So because of the cultivation of the soybeans and because of the conservation of grasslands for raising of beef cattle. Actually this Amazonian rainforest we are calling as lungs of the planet. And before complete this chapter, definitely 1000 hectares of the rainforest would have been lost. Actually here 14% of the land is actually land was or the 14% of the earth surface was occupied by the rainforest, but now here less than or no more 6%, no more than the 6%. So this rainforest only actually here one more point once we have discussed in previous video there. What is the point I have remembered? In tropical Pacific islands concern also one important point we have discussed there. Approximately 2000 species of native birds have been destroyed. We see now. So likewise 2000 species of native birds we have seen in a tropical Pacific islands. So colonization in a tropical Pacific island. So there for the first time main important points. Now here you see that. Next one is besides to the total loss. So besides to the total loss, degradation of many habitats. Now you see that. So here habitat loss is going to be taken place. So habitat is a loss means so definitely that particular loss we can be taken as a total loss. If habitat our home only is not there, someone has come. So here due to that some kind of constructions or illegal construction, suppose if a government decided to remove our home means definitely one particular thing they will put on and definitely suppose if they destroy our home means so definitely in that particular case now we will consider total loss. Everything I lost. Now likewise we will feel. Why? Because so that is a situation or that kind of thing we will be maintaining with our home. So that's why here when the habitat loss is going to be loss or going to loss, that particular loss we can be taken as a total loss. Is it first one. Next one, fragmentation concern. Now let us see some more information. So degradation of many habitats. Degradation of many habitats by pollution. So degradation of many habitats, here other was given pollution and also threatens the survivalence of many species. Now degradation also going to be taken place, degradation of many habitats. So how? Because of the here the reason we are taking as pollution for the threatens or also threatens the survivalence of many species. So this point also we have to store in our mind. Next one, when large habitats, you see there, when large habitats are broken out, when large habitats are broken up into the small fragments due to the various human activities, mammals, birds and birds requiring large territories and certain animals with migrating habits are badly affected, leading to the population decline. So here already we have discussed this information. So here first point is degradation of many habitats with the pollution, or this is now the other highlighting pollution problem. So for the degradation of habitats. Now one more thing is when large habitats are broken up into the small fragments. So definitely suppose here the large habitats are there. When these large habitats are broken up, so when these large habitats are broken up, so automatically what is happening? Large habitats are definitely converted into small fragments. In that particular case, definitely, so many kinds of mammals and many kinds of birds, definitely, so these two will be affected, mammals as well as birds. Why? Because So these mammals as well as birds requiring large territories, requires definitely very huge place, and one more, certain animals with migrating. So some kind of animals having a habitual activities for migrating. Suppose if you take a Discovery Channel, if you see Discovery Channel there, so animals which will be migrating from the one place to another place, we will be observing. So in that particular case, suppose if the huge area, large habitat, so suppose if you convert it into small fragment, so for migrating problems comes. So means definitely, so these animals cannot migrate from one place to another place. Why? Because large habitats are converted into small fragments. Suppose large habitat is there, suppose if you go and construct, or if you go and do deforestation, or suppose if you go and construct any kind of or any some buildings, means, so at the time, no, so what are the organisms present in that particular situations or the habitats, though they cannot migrate or they cannot move from that place. So in that particular case, now what is happening, definitely they will face some kind of problems. So means all these problems means we are posing, so because of our human activities. So thereby, so what are the animals or what are the plants are present in that habitats, definitely badly affected, leads to the decreasing the population level of that particular plants as well as animals. Means in this particular case, no, we have to think about this one. Means suppose we are all in small age, so we cannot do anything, just we can study. So but when you people will reach to the good position in society, at the time at least we have to think about this one. So at the time, suppose if you think about this one, or we can reduce this problem by reforestation or the planting of plants and some kind of by doing of some kind of activities. So chance is there for the conservation of biodiversity, but we cannot do now. So now here within 10 days only, within 10 days of time, or before complete this chapter, in Amazon rainforest 10,000 hectares of rainforest would be lost, means, so we cannot be protected. So at least we have to move forward in order to conservation of this kind of forest. So means here fragmentation concerned, when large habitats are going to be converted into small fragments, definitely some kind of threat or pose will be there towards the mammals as well as birds. Why? Because mammals as well as birds requires large territories, and some kind of animals will move from the one place to another place. That is only we will be considering as migration. So for that also, so mammals, birds and some kind of migrating animals badly affected due to the habitat loss and fragmentation. So this point, actually this habitat loss and fragmentation very, very important for examinations. Next one, so second one concerned over exploitation. So in over exploitation, humans have always depend on the nature. So definitely we are all depending on the nature. So there is no any doubt there. Why? Because for the taking of clothes or for the eating of food or for food purpose, shelter purpose, as well as dress and everything, each and every aspect concerned. So human beings are depending on the nature for food. You see that I have written down food, shelter, not only food, shelter, and one more is for dress needs, means we will be having cotton cloths with on our body, means so in this particular case, no, so for taking of food or for the depending on or for the taking of shelter and everything, no, definitely we are all depending on the nature in this particular case. But when a need turns to be greed, or when a need turns out or turns to greed, means here, for example, here one example let me give you. So one apple plant is there, so which has or which is having 10 fruits. So 10 apples are there in that particular plant. Now per day for you, or just suppose 5 apples only are required, suppose per day for your family. But so that is a need. If you take and go 5 apples, so that is okay, that is a need. Why? Because definitely we need it. But suppose if that is becoming as greed, so definitely, so if I leave 5 apples here, someone will take and go, at the time tomorrow for me no fruits. Likewise, if you think, means at the time 10 apples you will take and go. At the time what will be happen? So what is the percentage of need is there, no? So more than that you will harvest and you will take and go. In this particular case, no, so that particular need becomes greed. So in this particular case it leads to the over exploitation of natural resources. So what is the percentage of the requirement is there, no? So that much you will not take and go. More than that, suppose if you take and go, so that particular thing we can be considered as over exploitation. So over exploitation, so this is a very very important. So over exploitation concern, what is the point here we can be taken means, so what is the point here we have to take means over exploitation concern. Over exploitation concern, so humans have always dependent on the nature for food and shelter, but when need turns to greed, it leads to over exploitation of natural resources. Now, so let me give you few examples there. Let me give you few examples. So what are those? So these examples are many species extinction in the last 500 years. This point is important in over exploitation. So many species extinctions are there in last 500 years. For example, Stiller's sea cow. So Stiller's sea cow, yesterday we have seen. So this Stiller's sea cow belongs to Russia. So this particular Stiller's sea cow, so we have seen in Russia. Next one more also is there, that is passenger's pigeon. This passenger's pigeon belongs to the North America. Passenger's pigeon belongs to the North America, and the Stiller's sea cow belongs to the Russia. So these two types of things only they have given as examples where due to the over exploitation by humans, means here in the last 500 years mostly Stiller's sea cow from Russia and passenger's pigeon from the North America have been exploited by the human activities. Means here, sir, in this particular case, no, one accused finger of only is showing towards us. Why? Because so with well known information or with unknown information, so simply we are disturbing the entire biodiversity. So we are simply so posing the threat to the this entire biodiversity. So in order to, so that's why here entirely, so he causes entirely we are discussing about the losses only. So on the globe, so once upon a time there was a different type of species, but due to our stupid activities, so there are different types of species have been extincted. So next one, presently many marine fish populations around the world are over harvested. Now you see there again, so not only these two things, Stiller's sea cow and passenger's pigeon, not only these two, presently many marine fishes populations around the world are over harvested. Means this is only thing when need turns to be a greed or turns to greed. So in this particular case, now suppose how many number of fishes populations we require, more than that we are harvesting. So in that particular case, now definitely endangering the continued existence of some commercially important species. So definitely we are harvesting. So definitely when we are going to harvest more and more, endangering the continued existence of some commercially important species. Means here, so here the government also somewhat regulations that put, that is this. So when that particular fishes are there in with pregnancy and all, or when they are going to lay eggs and all, in that particular case, no, you should not go for the harvesting and all. Likewise, some kind of seasons government will not allow to enter into the oceans. So means in that particular case, no, some kind of mammals or some kind of fishes they will be in brooding stage. So in that particular case, no, or in that when the seasonal comes for the laying of eggs and all, in that particular case, no, government not allow for the taking off or for the harvesting of different fishes. So suppose in that particular case, without managing or if you, without considering anything, suppose if you harvest all these things means definitely so endanger, so definitely impose the problems or brings the problems for continuing of existence of commercially located fishes for important. Means in this particular case, no, one particular seasons we should not harvest. Why? Because so definitely suppose if in that particular place if you harvest in that particular timings, no, definitely so chance is there for the losing of commercially important species, loss of important or the loss of commercially important species. So I hope you understood this one. Next one, alien species invasions. So alien species invasions concerned, when alien species are introduced unintentionally or deliberately. So third one is alien species invasions, when alien species are introduced unintentionally or deliberately. So in this particular case, no, with our knowledge or without our knowledge, suppose if anything is happened, or suppose if a new alien species or new species or come to the particular habitat, so what is happening? No, for whatever the purpose. So definitely that may come with whatever may be that purpose. Some of them turns invasive and cause decline or extinction of indigenous species. Means here these alien species, when they are going to be introduced like unintentionally or deliberately, when even though whatever may be that purpose we are going to introduce. So suppose if you introduce alien species invasions, in this particular case, definitely because of the introducing of these alien species, definitely so chance is there for the chance is there with the suffering of some kind of problems. Means here, so these invasive, so newly habitual things, definitely what is happening, so causes a decline as well as extinction of indigenous species. Definitely that may cause some kind of problems to the indigenous species. So for example, let me give you a few examples. What are those? While Nile perch, the Nile perch introduced in Lake Victoria, that Lake Victoria is present in East Africa. Eventually what happened to the extinction of more than 200 species of chinchillid fish in the lake. So means here when we have introduced Nile perch in the Lake Victoria present in East Africa, what happened? So now we are that time we have observed extinction of more than 200 species of chinchillid fishes present in the lake have been destroyed. So that is a main important thing we have taken here. Next one, plants examples concerned. Plants